Hi children, இன்னைக்கு வீடியோல நாம Social Science Term 2 Unit 3 Continents of the World இந்த யூனிட்டோட book evaluation part பார்க்க போறோம். First we have evaluation. The first one, choose the correct answer. First question, there are dash continents in the world. So we all know very well, isn't it? There are 7 continents in the world. So the answer is B. Okay. Next one. Second one. The largest continent is dash. The largest continent is Asia. B. Asia. Third one. Dash is the longest river in the world. Dash is the longest river in the world. Nile. Nile River. N-I-L-E. Nile River. Nile River is the longest river in the world. Fourth one, Lake Superior is located in dash. Lake Superior is located in North America. Lake Superior is located in North America. Next one, fifth one, penguins are found in dash. Penguins are found in Antarctica. Penguins are found in Antarctica. Next Roman letter, match the following. Okay, first one, Asia. We all know that Asia is the biggest continent. So the answer, first one, this is the first one. Second question, Africa. Sahara Desert. Africa. Sahara Desert. Okay, so this is the second one. Third, I'll write it darkly. Third one, Europe. Vatican City. Europe, Vatican City. Okay. Fourth one, South America. Amazon Forest. South America. Amazon Forest. Fifth one, Australia. Kangaroo. Fifth one, Australia. Kangaroo. Okay. I'll repeat the answer again. Asia, biggest continent. Africa, Sahara Desert. Europe, Vatican City. South America, Amazon Forest. Australia, Kangaroo. Okay. Yes. Next, true or false. Third Roman letter. First one, Asia is the third largest continent. We all know that this is the first largest continent, isn't it? So the answer is false. Okay. Yes, so I'm going to mention here F-A-L-S-C, false. Second one, India has one of the 7 wonders of the world. True. So Taj Mahal is in India. That is one of the 7 wonders. So the answer is true. Third one, Brazil is one of the largest coffee producer in the world. Yes, it is a true statement. So the answer is true. T-R-U-E. True. Fourth one, the Great Barrier Reef is in India. False. Fifth one, Antarctica has half year of light. Yes, true. Roman letter 4, answer the following question. That is short answers. First one, name the continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. 7 continents. Okay. Second one, where is the Taj Mahal located? Where is the Taj Mahal located? Taj Mahal is situated in Agra on the banks of river Yamuna. Third question, describe North America's important features. North America is the third largest continent. Second point, largest freshwater lake, Lake Superior, is located in this continent. Third point, the Mississippi, Missouri is on the longest river located in North America. Next question, fourth one, where is the Great Barrier Reef located? Australia. So it is located in Australia. Fifth one, which continent is called the frozen continent? Antarctica. Next, Roman letter 5. Answer the following in detail. We have 3 questions, children. First one. Write short note on any 2 continents. We have 7 continents, isn't it? So, among that, I have given you 2 continents here. So, you can choose any of the 7 continents and you can write, children. Here, I have given Africa and Antarctica for you. Africa. It is the second largest continent, the world's longest river, the Nile, and the world's largest desert, the Sahara. Both are home in Africa. More than 50% of the world's gold and diamond come from the mineral-rich continent of Africa. Next we have Antarctica. It is also called white continent or the frozen continent. It experiences half a year of sunlight and half a year of complete darkness. Penguins are found here. Second one, write a note on the monuments of India. Write a note on the monuments of India. India has several historical monuments. Taj Mahal is one such monument. It is situated in Agra on the banks of river Yamuna. It is built completely using white marble stones. It is recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Other historical monuments of India are the Sanchi Stupa, Gangaikonda Cholapuram, St. George Fort, etc. Third detail, give a detailed study of Australia. It is an island continent. The Great Barrier Reef, the pride and joy of Australia, is made up of nearly 2,500 individual reefs and visible from space. Australia includes the islands of Tasmania and numerous small islands. Okay. Thanks for watching, children. Keep watching my video. Manavar Viruppam. Okay. So next videos நான் போட்டுட்டே இருப்பேன் வீடியோவில் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஸோ அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோஸ் டேர்ம் 2ல் வர வீடியோஸ் எல்லாமே உங்களால் பார்க்க முடியும். Thank you children. Bye. Take care.